Hey guys, welcome to Seven Figure Tech Finance. This is Alexander, and today I'll be showing you my personally developed Excel system, Excel calculator for stock trading, which I use on a daily basis. You can easily click the link down below in the description and download this Excel calculator and use it at all times for free. So click the link down in the description and continue watching this video. Here guys, I'm super excited to announce this custom advanced built Excel stock trading calculator that I developed myself with all the advanced formulas in order to allow me to understand which positions I should take in a very fast-paced environment. This number would be the number that you want to trade with. Let's say maybe you have $100,000 in your account, but you don't want to trade with the entire 100,000, right? Let's say you just enter $5,000 here, and you want to know how many shares you can buy at the rate of 385, which is going to be 1,299 shares. Right here it shows you instantly the number of shares that you can buy, and this is pretty much the purpose of this advanced calculator, to allow you to estimate quickly and accurately how many shares you should buy at what price with what amount of money. You would maybe want to purchase $10,000 worth of this particular stock. The price of the stock, let's say it's something like Bank of America or maybe Wells Fargo, or let's say American Airlines. So let's say the price is around, let's suppose, $24 per share. And as you can see, this column D right here shows you how many stocks you can buy at which price. As we go down towards this file, we can see that the price changes in increments. So $24, $24.01, $24.02. This chart allows you to see how much money you're going to be making while the stock is moving. You can see that the numbers increase towards bottom. To the right of it, you can see total account value based on the price of the stock. In the column G, you can see your percentage of gain, and in column H, you can see how much money you're making, what are your gains. In column I, you can see your gross income based, your gains, your gross income is the same thing. Usually, if you have any kind of fees associated with trading, if you're trading on OTC market, in that case, you would put how much you pay per each purchase and sale. Here you would enter price of one trade, or let's say just $5. So this is how much most brokerage accounts would charge us to execute one trade, whether it's purchase or sale on OTC market, right? And when we come back to our column H, we can see that this is what we made. Let's say we made $25 when a stock went from $24 to $24.06, right? So we made $25. But after subtracting fees, $5 per each trade, we would be left with only $15. So this column I, gross income. So now if you're trading on NASDAQ, your brokerage account most likely will not have any kind of trading fees at this time. This means you would just enter 0 here. In this column I, you will see your gross income. Now net profit is your gross income minus your entered tax percentage. You would have to analyze and understand what is your tax that you're going to be paying. As an investor or as a day trader, let's say on average it's 30 to 35%. This is what you can enter here. You can enter any number here, 35%. This column J shows us net profit. What are we actually making after all the fees, after taxes? This is our net profit column. If we want to change increments, if the stock is very volatile and maybe let's say it moves not by 1 cent, but maybe by 5 cents or 20 cents. So here's 5 cents, then we can change increments, and this calculator will automatically adjust itself to 5-cent increments. So we can see that at $24, we can buy 417 shares, and then next next increment is $24.05, $24.10. And to the right, we can see percentage of our gain. And then we can see our total gains. And then we can see our gross income. And we can see our net profit on this trade. This means that if you choose to exit at 24.40, then this means you made a little bit more than 1.5%, $166.67, and you're left with about $116.67 of net profit at this point, right? Now you can also change increments from cents to dollars. So we can go here to $1 and we can change it to $2 increments. We also have here 50 cents, 25 cents, 15 cents. So those are standard increments, and I don't think you guys gonna need more than $1 or $2 increments here to see. So let's just put it to $1 increments. As you scroll down, you can see that all those numbers, they go further down very, very far. This is sufficient amount of data to have an idea of what your profit will be. What are your gains? What is your gross income? And what is your net profit? At $3.75, you can buy 1,333 shares when it comes to your $5,000 trading. You could put any kind of numbers or notes or stock symbol here for your reference in those columns here. Let's practice and let's try the system. Let's try it out, how it's going to work in a real live environment. You're going to open your live trading application. In this tutorial, we're going to use Thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade. And let's say we found a stock, which is General Electric, GE, right? And we see that if it would have been active hours, it would have been fluctuating. So we know that it's trading at about $10.50, $10.51. Maybe it goes up and down really quickly. And then we simply go here and let's say we want to enter with $12,000 into General Electric at the rate of $10.50. So now we know that it's going to be 1,143 shares, right? So we can just say 1,150 shares to buy of General Electric. And therefore, we simply come to our Thinkorswim and we enter 1,100, and let's say 50, 1,150. Auto send is already check marked. We're going to just simply click here and click buy. So this is how you can easily analyze your trades. You can see exactly how many shares you need to buy, and you can do it in a very fast environment when it comes to day trading or swing trading or even simply investing. The system is completely free. It's yours, and you can simply download it on the website. Hey guys, don't forget to get your 4 free stocks with WeBull, okay? When you deposit $100 in your account in WeBull, you get 4 free stocks at this time. So simply click the link down below in the description of this video. Click the link, download the app, open an account, and deposit $100. That's all it takes to get 4 free stocks. Thank you.